Well, it's yet another nice day out here. Ain't it right, big girl? Yeah, she wants something. Whoa. What is it, big girl? What do you see? I don't know what... Don't know what the hell she just saw or heard, but it obviously got her attention. And right, the exact one. And right, big girl. Well, she definitely wants something. I don't know what, obviously. What the hell? It's no weird. They, oh, sorry about that. Their tree, is starting to come through the fence a little bit. That's, oh, shit. She was starting to piss right there, and the right big girl. But anyways, it's probably, in case if you didn't see already, the pool is no longer here. But you can still see where, it has been sitting. You can see where it was from this, little circle here. Oh, there's some flies. Thought there was some ants there. But this is where the pool has been sitting. You can clearly see it from that little circle there. That's silly, isn't it, big girl? And the tail is wagging away. Oh, here comes the wind as well. Now this is nothing to, at least it's fell. This is nothing compared. Sorry about that. This is nothing compared to what the people in Texas are getting right about now. This is nothing. Seriously.
Double that number. This flooding and unprecedented rainfall is the most concerning because that is the biggest threat to loss of lives. I think the number one priority here is to save lives from being lost in this flooding, which we know is going to take place.
Hey, look at all that red. Holy shit. Look at that. Unbelievable.
Especially the decision by the officials in Corpus Christi not to order a mandatory evacuation.
Well, I think initially when it was a
seems like Louisiana. Seems like they're gonna get a little bit of it there.
Emergency manager who I just met with told them it's a Category 3. They took that seriously. They have started to evacuate. My strong warning is to evacuate if your emergency manager is called to do so, and to put your life over your property. In some cases, that may be too late because the storm has already hit.
Wow, that's all I have to say is just wow. I mean, 150 mile per hour wind gusts and 125 mile per hour winds. It's just literally ridiculous. I mean, a couple months ago, we got hit with a tropical storm Cindy, if you remember that, and we had winds up to at least 80 and 90 miles per hour, but 100 mile per hour winds. Wow. Seriously, I don't know what else to say. And of course, people are complaining that Trump didn't do anything earlier. I don't know, I mean, and it's kind of silly because he is doing shit about the storm now, and people are complaining that he didn't do shit earlier. I mean, what the hell is he supposed to do? I mean, seriously. I mean, there's nothing he could have done earlier, and people are saying that he should have done something earlier, which I honestly don't know what the hell that means. I just can't help but laugh at the amount of fucking stupidity these people have. Seriously. I mean, the fucking election happened almost a year ago, and people still can't get over the fact that he's our president now. It's just absolutely ridiculous. It really is. And honestly, I'm getting really fucking sick and tired of it. And also, I swear, if I hear or see someone complaining about Trump again, I'm gonna fucking lose it. I legit am gonna fucking flip out if I hear someone complaining, moaning and bitching about President Trump not doing his job correctly. Because honestly, I've had it. I'm over it now. I mean, it's enough. Seriously. I'm getting really fucking sick and tired of it. Oh, look who's eating. Ain't it right, big boy? Got hungry, didn't you? Oh, seriously, these people are really just starting to push me off the edge. Seriously, because I got zero to no patience left for this shit. Win again. I mean, once again, what the hell was that? Thought it was something. But yeah, it's starting to get windy again. But this is literally nothing to compare to what the people over in Texas are getting right about now. This is just nothing compared to, once again, to what the people over in Texas are getting right now. I mean, also saw that at least some areas of Texas are going to be inhabitable, which means people aren't going to be living there for at least a few months. That's right. I mean, so my tongue started to tickle there. I don't know why, but it's wow, a few months. People, I mean, wow. I mean, these are the neighborhoods that people were most likely born and raised in. And those neighborhoods aren't going to be inhabitable for at least a few months. Wow. Yeah, not a few days or a few weeks, but a few months. Holy shit. That is just mind-blowing. Well, anyways, unless if I hear some more information concerning the water, some more information about Hurricane Harvey, and yes, that's what it's called, the hurricane that's in Texas right now. That's what it's called. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. And there's the dog again.